In this video, I'm practicing wheelies on my mountain bike in an empty parking lot. To do a wheelie, you gotta find a nice space to practice. And what you wanna do is, as you're pedaling away on your mountain bike, you wanna lean a little forward first onto your handlebars to compress the front tires, especially if you have shocks. And then give your pedals a strong, a couple of strong pushes and lean back at the same time. This will actually unweight the front tire and your front tire will lift. Be careful though, be ready to lose your balance and you might fall off the back of your bike, so be ready for that. But the other trick is that you have to make sure that you keep one of your fingers on your rear wheel brakes, because if you lean back too far, you're going to be falling back, and what you're trying to do is you're trying to find that middle ground where your pedals are pushing you forward and lifting your wheel up, but when you lift up too high, then you feather that brake a little bit to bring you back down to the ground. I'm not good at it yet, but making this video helps me a lot because I'm able to see my different attempts at the wheelie, and when I finally succeeded with it like I did there, I can see there that I was leaning a little bit further back than I did with the other tries. See, in that one where I failed, I was leaning a little too forward. Anyways, I'll keep on working on my wheelie and hopefully I'll get better at this. You can see that I'm in an empty parking lot, so I'm actually able to get a few pedals in to traverse the width of a car. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I've got other mountain biking videos on my mountain biking playlist. Thanks.